I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about also how to moisturize the cuticles when you want to push them back. So again, I touched on this a little bit in one of my other videos, but I didn't give an example. I didn't show you what that looks like. So looks like this, just dolloping some Rich Cream Moisturiser on the cuticle. It's almost like giving your hand a little mini cold cream mask. Essentially you're softening this area, which will make the cuticles more malleable so that when we need to push them up, it'll be a little bit easier to do so. So yeah, we'll leave that on for 10 minutes and we'll come back and we'll show you the next step. Okay, so that's been soaking on there. Cuticle, Rich Cream Moisturiser has been soaking on my cuticles for 10 minutes. Now I've got a cotton ball that I've soaked in warm water. I'll just go over that. You want something that's going to be warm enough to remove the oil and the cream completely. You don't want any leftovers. Give that a dry. And then we go over it with some nail polish remover. That just removes any excess cream and oils. And we get our cuticle stick and we push up. And what I like to do is rest on my tubs. And I here have a 50-gram tub, which is quite handy. 100-gram tub will work just as well. So you can see here the cuticles are nice and malleable, easy to push up. And they're also more moisturized and less dry, so there's no need to be cutting at all. You'll notice that with my cuticles, they're really thick and lumpy. But anyway, that's how to moisturize your skin so that you can push your cuticles up quite easily, which is one of the steps that I talked about but didn't show the steps to in a previous video. So there you go, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.